back to my channel.
Buhay ko rin iniwan.
Here we go guys, a beautiful morning after a snowstorm. Kasalukuyan guys, masyadong maganda ang panahon ngayon. A day after the snowstorm, ito na ang itsura ng aming bakuran dito. Balot na balot yung mga sasakyan namin, halos ng yellow. A beautiful morning to everyone. Super white, just like a white Christmas. But right now, it's the starting point of the spring. So today, kansilado po yung mga klase namin dahil sa sobrang kapal ng aming or yung snow na nasa paligid ng aming buong city of Kingman. Thank you so much. This is just like a simple updates about our weather for today. Thank you, and once again, good morning. Have a happy spring break. Good luck to everyone. And of course, keep safe in all your travels.
Thanks for watching in this video.